I barely got my edges out for this one because they would not match up well right now. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. Today's video is all about the headband wigs in the affordable version. I picked up 4 half wigs. 2 are actually Outre and 2 are actually Sensational. That was not on purpose, but here we are. The Sensational units that I'm going to try are Game Changer and Dee, and then the Outre units that I'm going to try are Ava and Ashani. I actually even got one in a burgundy reddish color. This was by request. Shout out to Renique Roosevelt. She requested that I try something in a red or wineish color for her. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys the natural color units, and then we'll get into the other ones. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Change headbands real quick, but I just wanted to show y'all these new thicker ones I got. This would be really cute for winter. I think it's really big, but you know, in the wintertime, who cares? It's all about, can I keep my ears warm? I picked them up on Amazon, and he's got little buttons right here. It's supposed to be by your ear so that you can hook your mask onto it without having to hook it on to your ears. And I don't know about you guys, but I plan on wearing my headband wigs during the winter, so this is gonna come in handy. Like I said, I think they're kind of big, so I'm gonna change my headband right now, but I just wanted y'all to know. Okay, so I think Ashani is so cute as a headband wig. I saw a YouTuber, and I cannot remember her name. I wish I wrote it down or something, but I saw her review this, and I thought it was so pretty as a headband wig. So I made a note, if I ever did an affordable headband wig video, which clearly I'm doing, I was gonna try Ashani because it looks so good to me. I might cut this part off because I think this would be cuter just up here. You see what I'm saying? Now I'm noticing already though, it's a whole lot of tangling going on. Like I could barely get this on without running into issues with tangling. Now shedding, I haven't gotten any of that too much out of this unit, really at all. But the tangling, watch out. Watch how you handle her. You need to handle her with care. Yeah, this is gonna bother me. Much better. Much better. The ends needed to go. I need to go back and make sure I cut the back later, but that's neither here nor there. The tangling is irritating though, I will tell you that right now. But this is like something you could dress up with a headband wig. Let's see how well it dresses up as a headband wig, because I got my sparkly one over here too. Yeah, see, there it is. This dresses up really cute. You can do some things with some winter events with this one. Now, please note, this hair is shiny and the texture is not real texture feeling. Like it's very, very, very smooth. Yeah, this one's a little high maintenance, but she's pretty. Kind of like that. Game Changer before in the lace front wig version back when it first came out, and I loved it. Game Changer was always a favorite of mine because it really does look like 4B, 4C hair. Without the texture being dry or rough feeling, like it really just feels like natural hair. Now the volume is a lot, but when you have your hair big and curly, of course you want a lot of volume. At least I do. I'll speak for myself. There's no part in it, so you could move it around if you wanted to. I kind of don't like it like that. I like it in the middle. But you can, that's the point. So this is what it looks like if you were to use a smaller headband. And I think it looks really good to me. I think this is really cute. I think this is a great one for fall, winter, because again, nice and warm, because there's a lot of hair in here. You already know it's tightly coiled, so you're gonna have some tangling to deal with this hair. But you know, it's not the type of hair you want to run your hands through, so you should be good because it's not like you need to be all up in it touching it. The fit on Ashani and this one were really good. They're not too big, not too small. They fit just right. Shout out to Goldilocks. Looks so amazing as a half wig. And I actually really like this color on me. I've never done it before. I told y'all in the beginning, I have never worn like a wineish or a red color yet. So today's the day. Now the texture is kind of on the silkier side with this one. So, you know, if you have to, if your edges don't really slick like that, you might want to flat iron at least the front of your hair first if you want it to really match up. Or just don't leave a whole lot of your edges out. I barely got my edges out for this one because they would not match up well right now. I'm not surprised at all that I'm loving this unit the way that I am, because I love Dee in the original version when I reviewed it. I think like 2 years ago, I think. I was gonna get Ashani in this color and let this one be the natural color one, but I was like, nah, because I've never ever had Ashani and I wanted to see what it looked like in the natural color. I've had this one before in the natural color already, so I was like, this is the one we gonna experiment on. Just like the others, you gonna run into some snags here and there, so be aware, but it's a little less maintenance to me than Ashani was. Still on point with the capsizing. I think all of these would fit, you know, pretty much any head so far, but we still got one more to go. Oh, since we did it with Ashani, let's try a fancy headband to see how it looks. So I actually like the fancy headband on Ashani more than I like it on Dee. It's not bad, but it was popping on Ashani. This one, it's not the same. To me, that is. Okay, so let's get into Ava. I think this color blend is everything. Now this one is definitely on the silky side, so watch that as it pertains to how it matches up with your edges. Like, I ain't putting too much edge out with this one. Matter of fact, put it down just a tad. Out of the four that I showed you guys, this is probably like the thinnest one. Like the density is probably like, I would say maybe 150 on this one, whereas the other ones are like 180 to like 200 plus for Game Changer. This one does kind of have tangling in it, but it's probably the most low maintenance out of the ones that I've just showed you. The only problem with Ava is that she's really shiny, so you're gonna need to pull out your powder, your wig spray, whatever it is that you use to take shine out of your synthetic wigs. You're gonna need it for this one. It's not just my ring light, it really is this shiny. But if that's the worst thing, that's not too bad. Shine can be taken care of. You know what? I actually kind of like this one with the tiara headband. I don't know what it was about Dee that I didn't like with the tiara headband, but I like this one. All right, that's all I got for y'all for this one. If you're interested in any of these half wigs, I'll have the tea down below in the description box. Please let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.